This is the one that the hitch broke off of on the manure spreader. It's completely gone. So we're taking this up to our mechanic. He's gonna work on that. And there was a clunking in it. I don't know if it happened when we jackknifed the spreader and broke it, but it now will not go in reverse. Hoping it's not a big deal, but it's going up north to Kingston to get worked on, and then this will be another backup, but we might get it fixed up and sell it and upgrade to another backup, get like another 4430 or something, another 4440, something bigger that I could use on a backup bagging tractor. But that's a heck of a tractor. It's just she's a little hurt right now.